Hey guys, Arnold Broad here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about the answer for erectile dysfunction. It may not be what you think. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. This is the story of about 80% of the men that call me. How close does this story describe you? After watching one or several of my videos, I'm called about a problem with erectile dysfunction that has been going on from anywhere between 1 year and 10 years. As we talk, the guys also talk about having diabetes and high blood pressure and possibly other issues. And all medical issues are usually controlled with medication. And if they've had diabetes and high blood pressure for a longer period of time, they say that their med dosages have been slowly increasing over that time. One of the first things I tell them is that over 50% of men with diabetes have ED issues. And the longer that they've had diabetes, the greater the odds of having erectile dysfunction. If this is your story, then I want you to know that healing the lining of your blood vessels is the answer that you've been looking for. ED at its base is a blood flow problem. Sure, there can be emotional issues and disease processes, but 90% of ED is a blood flow issue. The blood flow problem exists because the lining of the blood vessels have been damaged. When this lining is damaged, your body loses the ability to produce adequate amounts of nitric oxide. And when this happens, your blood vessels cannot relax, poor blood flow happens, and then no erections. There are a number of ways to fix this problem. Diet changes and supplements offer the quickest method to show improvement in erectile dysfunction. On the diet side, a Mediterranean diet appears to have protective effects against the development and worsening of sexual dysfunction in men and in women compared with a low-fat diet. This is according to an 8-year study. The researchers stated that the current study is the first long-term dietary trial demonstrating that the Mediterranean diet conferred benefits on both prevention and deterioration of sexual dysfunction in men with newly diagnosed type 2 diabetes. Now let's take a look at the second part, which are supplements. I have done a number of videos on FDA-recalled so-called miracle supplements, and also on food choices in general to help with ED. And although there are many decent supplements on the market that help with ED, such as vitamin D, one of the best ways to effect this repair is with a concentrated amino acid supplement called pro-arginine. This is definitely my supplement of choice and one I use every day. Click the link below this video in the description called Natural ED Repair to see the full story. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.